Well, with only a couple of days left in early voting and Election Day around the corner, voters in Jefferson County have an important choice to make: who will preside as judge over the 252nd court. KFDM's Haley Bull reports what you need to know about both candidates.
People lining up outside polling places across Jefferson County are facing a critical decision: who will serve as judge of the 252nd District Court.
Nice to meet you.
Running for judge. I'd appreciate your support.
Yes, ma'am. God
Thank
bless
you.
Raquel West on the Democratic side, a criminal defense attorney who's practiced for nearly 20 years.
Handled cases that have been nationally on the news, such as the case where someone, killed a child and put them in an oven. I've handled cases where parents have starved their children. I've handled cases where DNA evidence, which is very complicated, has been used. And I think it's important to have handled those types of things and understand it to be able to move right into there and be able to apply it to the other cases that you'll be hearing as a judge.
On the Republican side,
I'm running as a Republican.
Carolyn Drawhorn Wiedenfeld, an attorney who's practiced family and criminal law for nearly 14 years.
Well, I think if you go back to my whole life's experiences and my age and maturity, and my experience trying cases and working with defendants and with people in family matters, I think all of these things, and being a mother of 4 children, and just life's experience, all of these things together have qualified me to be a judge, a good judge.
The candidates have their own ideas about what they do differently in the court. Wiedenfeld on repeat offenders.
So I have ideas that would make a connection, a bigger connection than we already have between churches and other nonprofits and our criminal justice system, our probation system.
West on docket.
There's some administrative things that I think could be done to possibly move cases along even better, adding some different dockets and pretrial dockets so that when people are set for trial, they actually are going to trial.
While they may have opposing views on other issues, moving cases through the court timely and fairly is common ground.
The person who has experience handling those types of cases and applying the law in the correct way is going to be able to make all that happen.
I'm not going to be a glorified trial lawyer. I'm going to be a good judge who is able to look at people and figure out what's right in this case.
When it comes down to Election Day, one will be the county's first female elected judge. In Jefferson County, Haley Bull, Fox 4 News.
Early voting ends Friday. Election Day is November 4th. Click on to fox4beaumont.com to see when and where you can vote.